Okay, folks, after sweating my you-know-what off, my armpits, this is what I got done. You can't really see most. I backed the camera as far as I could. I could put it back over there and then shine it this way, but you know what? I'm not really in the mood right now. I want to get the hell out of here. This is what I got done so far. I managed to weld it all up. I don't think I have too many things left on here that I could slice someone's finger off or a kid's finger off. I welded it, I primed it. You probably have already seen, if you've seen this video, if you're seeing this video, you'll see the video before me chopping it up, welding it, put it all together. So I did this. The feet are the last thing I was worried about, but I found a place online where I can order either a metal insert, a plastic insert, or it's an insert with a screw hole in the middle. Basically, you buy the adjustable feet that you can like adjust and just screw it in, and they just self-leveling. So I'm thinking of saving myself some time and spend about what, under $1 for one little, $4 for that, and another $4 for that. I'm also ordering some weld. They're weld-on cups that basically you weld them on, and then you order the cup insert. So if you want to make furniture, like I have 4 bar stools here, I didn't know what to put on the bottom. So I'm going to order 1-inch weld-on cups. You weld them on, and you buy the little, I guess they're probably some hard plastic. You put them on, I can have feet on there, or I can order screw-on ones, or there must be a million fastener. As soon as I order them and I get them in the mail, I will reveal to you what website I got them at, because I don't remember right now. It's something, I don't know, Christ. So I will order some, see how that goes. I want to order extra because I've been making, I got some bar stools I got to finish. I want to make a video doing that. So anyway, that's pretty much this. Now it becomes, I'm going to go over this with my hand all over the place except for the top here. And I got to basically make sure there's nothing I can slice my finger off with on the bottom, inside, anywhere. Once that's all checked out, and I basically slice my hand open, checking for things to slice my hand open, I will then probably pop 2 holes in here, 2 holes in here. Got 2 holes down there, and I'm not sure if I want to put 2 bolts in here and just leave it like that, bolt it on with 2, or maybe 2 in the middle, 2 in the end. I already know this thing's too long for my kitchen. I should have made it about this big, but you know what? I can always lop the end off and make it shorter if it's too big. But you know what? I'll just sell it for $500. I mean, that's what they're going for online. And mine's handmade. And I could just take another piece of oak and make a shorter one, because I have another piece of oak that's a little shorter. You know, furniture building 101. Which, no, I'm not gonna. I made this to mine. So yeah, I got a few burn marks in it. After that's all done, I'm gonna probably paint this black. And once I'm done painting it black like the Rolling Stones, that I'll hang up. I gotta make a rack, put it on, hang it up, paint it. I'm going to sand the hell out of this thing, get it all nice and sanded, find a way to, I'll probably stain one side and flip it, sand it and stain the other side. I want to make it really nice and like, I don't want it just one stain. I want it nice and shiny. So I wanted I don't want it a dark wood. I wanted like a light colored oak, like you'll see. I don't know. Anyway, but that's it. Anyway, that's it. That's all. That's what I got done so far, and hope everybody enjoys it. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, thanks for subscribing. You're awesome. Toodles.